Hello everyone, welcome to my AI Made Simple channel. Today I have a very interesting video to share with you. Over the past year, I've seen Uberduck AI explode in popularity across social media platforms. From YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels to TikTok videos, creators are using Uberduck to create funny, unique, and sometimes even viral tracks that sound like real artists. The best part? You don't need to be a music producer, rapper, or singer. Uberduck handles the entire process for you. In this review, I'll cover how Uberduck AI works, how you can use it for free when you might want to upgrade to a paid plan, and even how some creators are monetizing Uberduck by combining it with affiliate marketing. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a personal example of how one silly rap about pickles went viral on my own TikTok account. What is Uberduck AI? At its core, Uberduck AI is an AI music generation tool that lets you create songs using synthetic voices. The process is very straightforward. Choose a beat. Uberduck provides a selection of AI-generated beats in different genres, such as hip-hop, trap, or electronic. Paid users can even upload their own beats, write, or generate lyrics. You can either type in your own lyrics, or let Uberduck's AI generate creative lines for you based on a prompt. Select a voice. The platform has a library of AI voices that can perform your lyrics. With a paid plan, you can even clone your own voice by recording a sample. Generate and download. Once you've chosen the beat, lyrics, and voice, Uberduck creates a fully produced track that you can download, share, or use however you like. This simple 4-step process makes Uberduck a favorite among casual users and content creators alike. Free versus paid plans, what you need to know. One of the reasons Uberduck has gained so much attention is because it offers a free forever plan. This plan gives you 300 render credits per month, which is plenty for experimenting, making fun tracks for friends, or creating quick content for social media. It's important to note though that the free plan is for non-commercial use only. So if you want to generate a birthday rap for your friend, prank someone with a silly song, or test out how AI music works, the free tier is more than enough. However, if you want to monetize your music, for example, by selling tracks, uploading them on streaming platforms, or using them in professional content, you'll need to upgrade. The paid plan costs around $100 per year, which is very affordable compared to hiring vocalists or licensing beats. With the paid plan, you also unlock premium features such as the ability to upload your own beats instead of relying only on AI-generated ones. Voice cloning, where Uberduck learns your unique voice and generates tracks that sound like you. Removal of the audio watermark, which is added to songs made on the free plan. For creators who are serious about using AI music in their videos, or even building a brand around it, the paid plan is definitely worth considering. Step-by-step demonstration. To give you a better idea of how Uberduck works, let me walk you through an example. First, I browsed the list of available beats, and chose one called Burn Rate. It has a trap-style hip-hop vibe which felt perfect for testing. If I had been on the paid plan, I could have uploaded one of my own beats, but for this demo, I stuck with Uberduck's library. Next, I needed lyrics. Instead of writing them myself, I typed in a simple AI prompt rap about how good pickles are. Within seconds, Uberduck generated quirky lyrics like pickles. Oh, pickles, the perfect green crunch, sour and tangy. They make my taste buds brunch. Like a flavor explosion, they hit the spot, so addictive I can never have just one shot. Ridiculous. Yes, entertaining. Absolutely. Once I had the lyrics, I picked a voice. Uberduck has a wide range of voices, some mimicking famous rappers. For this test, I chose a voice modeled after Biggie Smalls. When the render finished, I had a full rap track of Biggie Smalls rapping about pickles. It was both hilarious and impressive, considering it only took a minute to generate. Finally, I downloaded the track and had the option to share it directly on social media. This quick demo shows how easy it is to go from a random idea to a finished track with Uberduck AI. Monetizing with Uberduck AI. Now let's talk about the business side. Can you actually make money with Uberduck AI? The short answer is yes, but not in the way you might think. Personally, I've had a few Uberduck creations go viral on TikTok. One of my silly AI rap videos hit 1 million views. On that TikTok account, I placed a link in my bio that pointed to Uberduck's affiliate program. When a video goes viral, hundreds of people click through. From that traffic, around 5,100 users signed up. Of those, roughly 10% converted to paid plans, which earned me a decent affiliate commission. It may not sound like much, but when you multiply it by multiple viral videos, it becomes a clever way to generate passive income from AI content. So, if you're a creator looking to make money online, Uberduck AI can serve as both a creative tool for content and a source of affiliate revenue. Pros and cons of Uberduck AI. Like any platform, Uberduck has its strengths and limitations. Pros: easy to use even for beginners with no music background. Free plan with generous monthly credits. Wide range of AI voices, including celebrity-style ones. Ability to upload beats and clone your voice with the paid plan. Potential to go viral on social media with unique AI tracks. Cons: free plan has an audio watermark on tracks. Non-commercial limitation, unless you upgrade. AI voices, while impressive, can sometimes sound robotic. Creative results depend heavily on your prompts. Overall, the pros outweigh the cons, especially for content creators who value speed and originality. Final thoughts. To wrap things up, Uberduck AI is one of the most entertaining and practical AI music generators available right now. Whether you want to make funny rap songs for friends, generate content for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, or explore the future of AI in music production, this tool delivers. The free plan is perfect for casual use, while the paid plan unlocks powerful features for creators who want to monetize. On top of that, the affiliate program offers a unique way to earn income simply by sharing your Uberduck creations. So, if you're curious, I highly recommend checking out Uberduck AI. You'll find a link in the description and pinned comment, which also supports studio hacks and helps us continue creating free tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Made Simple for more AI and music tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.